Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini guided learning. To begin, navigate to the Gemini interface and look for the guided learning section. You'll find various learning paths designed to help you master different topics. Choose a path that interests you, perhaps one focusing on advanced data analysis or creative writing. Each path provides a clear overview, so you know exactly what to expect and what skills you'll gain. It's a straightforward way to enhance your knowledge. Once you've selected a path, you'll dive into interactive modules. These modules are designed for active participation, not just passive viewing. You'll answer questions, complete short exercises, and engage with the material directly. Gemini provides immediate feedback, helping you understand concepts better and correct any misunderstandings on the spot. If you need more detail or a different perspective, simply use the integrated tools to ask for further explanation. It's like having a personal tutor. As you move through the guided learning path, Gemini keeps track of your progress. You can easily see your completion rate for each module and review your performance on exercises. This helps you identify your strengths and areas where you might want to spend more time. Successfully completing modules and demonstrating understanding will unlock new, more advanced content, allowing you to continuously build upon your knowledge. You'll always know where you stand and what's next on your learning journey. To truly maximize your learning, don't hesitate to revisit modules you've already completed. Repetition can solidify your understanding of complex topics. The real benefit comes from applying what you've learned, so try to integrate these new skills into your daily tasks or personal projects. Furthermore, Gemini offers a wide array of related learning paths. Exploring these can help you broaden your expertise and discover new interests, making your learning experience comprehensive and deeply rewarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.